Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in coding and decoding. Friends, this question was asked in SSC CGL 2023. Friends, in a certain code language, year is coded as this, PB is coded as this, then what is the code for dig? How dig is written in the same code language. Friends, in alphabetical order, the position of E is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Similarly, the position of A is 1, 1 plus 2, 3. The position of R is 18, 18 plus 2, 20. So, 2 is added. 2 is added the positional values of alphabets. In the same way, P stands for 16th. P is 16th letter in alphabet. 16 plus 2, 18. B is second letter. 2 plus 2, 4. And U is 21st letter plus 2, 23. So, in the same way, D is fourth letter, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 2, 6. I is ninth letter, I is ninth letter, 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11, 9 plus 2, 11. And G is seventh letter, 7 plus 2, 9. So, dig is coded as 9116 friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.